Hello and Assalamu.Alaikum. In this video I will tell you how to add IDM extension in your Google Chrome browser. So first of all, open your Google Chrome browser and search IDM extension for Chrome. Now click on the first link. Now click on this link. It will automatically take to the Chrome web store. Now click to add to Chrome. Add extension. So as you can see, you can pin your extension by this button. So guys, now we open your YouTube and we can download any video with the help of the internet download manager. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are facing any issue, tell me in the comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want to download internet download manager full version, so I give you the link in the description. So guys, goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.